Autodesk Revit tutorial, creating walls in Revit projects. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create walls in Autodesk Revit for your architectural projects. Let's get started. To open a new project, select New Project from the Startup screen. Choose the architecture default template or use your custom template, then click OK. To access the Wall tool, in the Architecture tab of the ribbon, click on the Wall tool. This will take you to the Walls built-in family of the program, where you will find several wall types to choose from. If you can't find the type of wall you need, don't worry. Just pick any wall nearest in type to the one you want and we can modify it later. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut WA to access the Wall tool quickly. To draw a wall, click on the desired wall type from the Properties palette. You will find several parameters you can adjust in the upper ribbon. The height or depth specifies whether the wall will go upward or downward from the base level. The second parameter determines whether the wall will follow a numeric height you specify. In this case you will choose unconnected, or it will stop at the level you choose. Location line determines the line the wall will follow during its creation. I will leave it to you to experiment with the several options in this tab. Check the chain option if you want to create several connected walls in the same command. Offset will draw the wall in a specific distance from the start point you click. Click to specify the start point of the wall. Move the cursor to specify the length of the wall, or just type the length with your keyboard. Hit the Escape button to finish drawing the wall. There are several shapes of walls you can use from the Draw menu. Try the different options yourself to get familiar with them. Now I will show you how to modify the wall properties to get the specific parameters you need for your wall. Select the wall you created, then go to the North Elevation view. In the Properties palette, you can modify the wall's height. You will find that the wall has two main parameters defining its height. The first is the base constraint, which represents the start of the wall's height. The second is the top constraint, which represents the level of the top of the wall. For the top constraint, you can either choose the wall to be unconnected and apply any height you desire, or you can make the top constraint any level you wish. The top and bottom offsets defines if the wall will start with a specified offset from the top and bottom constraints. Now let's edit the wall in the Family Edit section. Click on the wall and go to Edit Type. In this menu you customize the wall parameters within its family. Let's assume that the wall you pick should be a concrete masonry wall of 250 mm thickness. Click Duplicate to make a copy of the wall, then rename it to something indicating the desired specs. We will name it CMU 250 m. Then in the Structure tab press Edit. Here we will give the wall its physical characteristics by defining its thickness and material. And there you go. You have created your concrete masonry unit wall with 250 mm thickness going from level 1 till level 2. That's all for now. See you on the next tutorial.